Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei P40 Lite 5G, and today I'll show you how to put the device into FastBoot mode. Now, before we get started, you will need a cable that is plugged into your PC. And once you have that, well, theoretically you need two things, PC and a cable. You can begin. So let's start off by powering off the device. So hold the power key and select power off, like so. And once it's off, what you want to do is hold volume down on your phone. And while continuously holding only volume down, as you can see right now, you want to plug it in. There we go. So I am holding volume down, give it a second, and there we go. We are now in FastBoot mode, as you can see. So that's how you'd access it, and to leave it, all you need to do is hold volume down key and power key, both keys at the same time. From what I've seen it or tested myself, power key actually works just as well. So there we go, and I think it should turn on itself. Yep, there we go, so it turns on, and now it's just gonna go back to the normal Android. That is how you would put your device in and out of the FastBoot mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.